Yeah, you can, Draco. Say some. Sorry, I have that song stuck in my head. Dude, it's just like it was on the car. It just like randomly started playing, and yeah, it just got stuck in my head. Oh, I gotta make a tea time. I'm gonna go golfing at like 11:30. Even though it's walking only, which is gonna suck. Mm, 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 mm. So, good luck if you guys are taking this. I will not be taking this, but if you do, good luck. Mm, 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 mm. All right, tea time is made, boys. Let's go. May 9th, 11:30. All right, we're good. Wait, you have 20 accounts, Jesse? Do I not like this setup? Oh, I love this setup. This is it. This is a good setup. This is an A setup. And it's pretty good risk too. I love this setup. I mean, it's 2R, pretty good risk. Well, I'm not taking it because I already just took a winning trade, so I don't really need to. I'd rather wait for open. I mean, this is a great setup. You guys got to realize it is a great setup. Don't not take it just because I'm not taking it. Honestly, I think this does work, but I don't really have to take it because I just took a winning trade and I want to wait for open and also at the same time, I honestly am bullish. Like my bias is bullish here. Um, I feel like I don't know. I feel like we might. How do I explain this? I would rather take a long down here with my bullish bias than take a short to where I think we should hit long, if that makes sense. Because like sometimes, even though I'm bullish, sometimes we will not retrace to here, which is annoying. So that means this short would fail. So I'd rather take the A plus setup here instead of the A setup here, thinking, oh, the market has to retrace. I still think this is a good setup. That doesn't change my mind. This is a great setup. If this loses, I would not be mad at all. But I would prefer going along with my bias if we end up coming down and hit the zone. I think that would I think I would take that. And I already took a winning trade a couple of minutes ago, so kind of need a fresh breather real quick. I just want to wait till open. But again, I think this is great risk. I think if you stopped out on this, I don't think it would. I don't think I would regret that, to be honest. But again, I don't need to take this one. I ended up kind of averaging into this after I saw this wick, and I was in it really light, like really light, and then I saw this wick, and I ended up averaging in. So I took it. I ended up taking it pretty heavy, and then I just sold at the highs. Like I was really light. I was like 2 contracts here, and then I ended up taking a mini, basically. Because I was like, okay, this is going to work. So I was basically risking about $20 when I didn't have confidence to risking about 150 when I saw that wick. I'm like, okay, this should work. Well, when you see a wick like this and then the body hold this inversion last second, I mean, that's just a super bullish signature in price, to be honest. This right here, like, it looked like it was going to fail, but then it never did. And I was about to lose about $30 here, but it never failed. So then I averaged in on this candle. I was like, okay. No, they don't merge at all. Who's in the short? Everyone type 1 if you're in the short. All right. Yeah, open in 5 minutes. I'm hoping we can at least accelerate to like here, because I think I'd move stop the break even here, especially if it hits right before open. I don't know. I don't know if I'd want to not have a stop and break even before open. We just made equal lows too here, so that's a good sign. I gotta turn on the indicator. So now I just create equal lows there, which is a pretty good sign. Again, ideally the target would be this unfilled 5 minute, which I hope hits, because we could get a good long setup out of this, which I would take that for sure. I sent the link to this indicator the other day in chat. So now that we've equal lows, like, if we take out these equal lows and then this low, like, I don't know, I'd go to break even. Because there's 4 minutes till market open. These should hit this 18,192. But I would not want to risk that before open. There's just no way. Say something, I'm giving up on you. Yeah, that's the indicator in chat if you guys want to use it. Also, like, the other idea about why this is like a decent short setup, or why it's an A setup, is because there's 50% down here. So he'd be hitting the sell side and the 50%. You know? Okay, so I'd move stop the break even here, because if we're right about us going to the sell side, we should not even come back up here and be a market open. So I would definitely move stop the break even here. I would be pretty mechanical about this, to be honest. And if you get break even, you get break even, but I go break even here for sure. Just hit your first payout. What, off that short? Okay, so yeah, I'd definitely be a break even here. And then just hold to the sell side. This should work. It's an A setup. We just need to see this violated now. We got 2 more minutes to open. That volume imbalance just broke too, which is a good sign. Notice how I have no FOMO that this trade's working. Why? Yeah, because I just already won. I don't even need to take this. I mean, if I didn't take this one, I would have taken this one. But I took this one, so I'm not taking this one. Again, it's still a great setup, as I said before. You know, you can't just base your decision off of me, but... Okay, we got open in 1 minute. Hopefully it dumps right here. This would be about a 20-point win if it does. Again, it's the 50% level. It's equal lows. I mean, it looks pretty good. Getting nice momentum here. Yeah, if you got a bad fill, that's unlucky. It definitely depends on what you're trading on. Like if you're trading on like it just depends on what you're trading on, like topstep, Apex, whatever. All right. This is not even 10 points yet. I would say scale some for 10 points just to secure some profits just before market open, but it's not even 10 points. So I don't know. I wouldn't be mad if I got stopped at break even here. I'm not going to lie. I would just have a stop at break even and see what open does and see if it dumps me. So, I mean, if it was 10 points, I would probably scale like 25% just to secure something, but it's not even 10 points yet. So, okay, there's open. Let's see what happens. Why that candle just stop for like 2 seconds? Damn. Okay, looks like it might be a break even. Yeah, so it's probably going to be a break even trade, unfortunately. We'll see if we still respect this. Again, I wish that was 10 points because I definitely would have scaled some there. I mean, it's just I'm not letting open stop me out of break even without scaling some for 10 points, but it's not 10 points, so that would be a break even trade, unfortunately. Again, that's why, like, I don't know, sometimes even if the bias is bullish, we will not retrace to here. It's just annoying. I'd rather take the long from here than try to guess we're gonna go to there and then take the long. Like I'd rather be patient and wait for us to get here. And if we don't get it, we don't get it. But it'd be a better opportunity if we did. My trading view is acting really slow right now. Yeah, nothing's loading. Yeah, I might have to just stay in the 1 minute chart. Okay, there we go. Oh, this looks really good. So even though we did hit the internal low here, I mean, this definitely tells me that we should go to the sell side. And we just carry relative equal lows here. So relative equal lows here. We got, this is like your AMD kind of. There's still no close below. I don't know. I thought that was going to close below. I guess it didn't. But if this closes below, I mean, we should go to the sell side. If it does not close below, then never mind. Dude, my trading view is very laggy right now. $30 up. I don't know. I prefer us hitting here first. I want down. I want down here. It makes most sense because it's an unfilled 5 minute and it's a okay. There's the close blow. So now we should go down here. So there's the first target. Should break it and then hopefully hit the sell side. And again, I know we did hit the internal low there, but that's still that closed blow is still okay. There you go. Boom. So I still know from this formation alone, this is like AMD. Like I still know, even though we did hit the internal low here. Again, this is just an advanced scenario where I know this is gonna work anyways. Does that make sense? And it's just because of the price action. Like, just look at this. This is a really good formation, and there's an order block here too. Does everyone understand that? Even though we hit the internal low, why I still know it's going to go down and work? And it's just like common sense, to be honest, too. So now we have finally hit the 5-minute fair value gap. My trading view is being so laggy. For everyone joining late, make sure to check out some of the plays and dodge I took on PM stream. I probably learned like 5 things. I think I went 3 for 5 or 4 for 5. But the losses I took were really tiny, and I ended up banking like 5 to 10R, depending on your stop loss. I think it was like yesterday's PM stream was my best stream in probably a month. After the horrible stream the day before. So this is where I need like a 1-minute setup out of this, because we just tapped discount. And then I think that would be a really good long. Can you show where you're placing? Yeah, so to get this discounted premium, which I can't even switch time frames because this is so laggy, you can see I did it from this leg to this leg. Tyson, I've given probably 20 alerts in the past week. That's the problem. I've given way too many than I normally do. So I'm trying to slow down a little bit. Dude, this is really laggy. I don't even know what's happening. The candle's frozen. 700. Oh wait, 5K PA count? I have no idea. If 50K, if you mean 50K, then yeah, 700. So I determined it because this was the leg that started the impulse. See how it's a swing low and it started the impulse? There's no other swing low here. So yeah, I'm just going to close this. I don't know what's up. I don't know. It's just not loading. Yeah, bearish. Okay, my trading view just shut down. Nice. I didn't even do anything there. Yeah, bearish if we close below this. Again, I want to be bullish, but we really can't be bullish unless we invert this. All right, we do have a 1-minute inversion here, so I think this is going to be an A+ setup. I will try this. The only reason I like this is because it's about a 5-point stop, so really good stop loss here. But if we don't get it, we don't get it. Okay, it does not look like we're gonna get it, which is fine. And I'm watching this 5 because if we violate this 5, we should go to here, which is an intermediate term low. So this short, this 5-minute short, I mean, this is to me is an A+ setup too, because intermediate term low below, it's not good RR. So I want to go heavy in this one. I'd go like half size. And we're also delivering from this. So using that idea that we're delivering from another bearish gap and we get a close here, this should work. This is an A+ setup. So yeah, this intermediate term low would be your target. Also, the other thing is, I think there was equal lows to the left somewhere. I saw them earlier. Oh, right here. So I'd hold runners for that. Indicator coming in clutch. And these are perfect equal lows. Again, this indicator will only mark perfect equal lows, which is just super nice. So. Also, typically when you see like a big displacement candle through a 0.5, what does that typically tell you? Yeah, it tells us very bearish, so. Okay, I'm scaling half there. And then I'm just going to hold another half till 18,125. Again, you can see I will be moving my stop to break even here. And then this will be the target. $18,126. You don't really want to see a stop here. When you get this death candle, you just do not want to see us retrace. So, I mean, I don't think we will. I think we should go down and just hit this, but yeah. And boom, there it is. Nice. So another A+ setup there. Everyone understands why that was an A+ setup, right? So again, A+ setup right there because we were delivering from this 15-minute. All right, delivering from the 15-minute. Now like I said, I would go half size in that because the RR wasn't great to the internal low. But if you knew these equal lows are down here, you could have gone normal size. It just depends. So, remember the one stream I called out the A+ setup, but it was only like 0.6 R and it worked. And you guys are like, dude, like why did you take that? Again, if you're taking a 0.5 R setup, what do? Reduce size to what? Yeah, you have to size it because if it's a loss, it's gonna be the same loss as if you were like, you get what I'm saying? So I remember I said that one stream. So nice trade there. super good candle close, and yeah. And that one indicator coming in clutch. So how many? Wait, damn. So type 1 if you guys took that. Let's go. Got out too early. So type. Okay. Type 2 if you're now going to get off and go enjoy your day and get off my stream. Good job. I ran type 1 is like, nah. Now, what if we come up and inverse this? Hey, thanks, man. Thanks. Drink more water. So I guess we'll just kind of wait to see. Like, I guess we'll just wait to see this reaction. I feel like this isn't a great liquidity pool. This is just like a random low. I mean, it was formed at 518. It's not like it was the. I mean, the London kill zone low is here, and it got taken out technically. So it's not. This isn't that important in my opinion. The equal lows indicator and equal highs indicator is in the chat. Is bias bearish now? I mean, what's the bias here, guys? Like, logically speaking, what do I have to say the bias is? Yeah, like I have to see it because this isn't bullish. So how, if it's not bullish yet, how can I not say it's bearish? You know what I'm saying? Like, it's speaking using objectivity. Like, I can't say this is bullish until we inverse this. Then I could say it's bullish. Bearish until proven otherwise. Exactly. Do, 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 do. All right, I'm gonna make an Instagram reel, and I'm gonna be like, who took that? And you guys are gonna respond, Dodgy sucks and L and stuff. All right. All right, ready? All right, guys, we're here with stream. You know, we just took this inverse play, this death candle, down to these equal lows that were perfect equal lows. How many people took that? God damn it. Sorry, guys. Sorry. I think they're yo, come on. Come on. At least one person took that, bro. Okay. All right, that's good. That's good. How many people took that? Sorry, guys. Sorry. I think they're yo, come on. Come on. At least one person took that, bro. That's funny. So, what do you from tape reading perspective, what do you notice about this? What do you notice about how we fit this low? Have we got any sort of bullish reaction at this low? Any sort of bullish reaction? Like, is the market even trying to attempt to go up here yet? No, not at all. So it just tells me we're probably going to go lower here. Because in a winning trade or a winning turtle soup, what's the market going to do here? Do you really think it's going to go this far down and then reverse? Probably not. Does everyone understand that? And how do I know that? Because I've seen so many winning turtle soups. I've seen so many winning trades to know that this is not a winning trade. So it's like, okay, this is just, it's just not good, if that makes sense. So you need $20. I would say short to this low, but it's probably too late. What would be a high probability $20 play with 1 micro? I guess just wait for long. I mean, I don't really. I'll tell you if I see one. Not yet. I don't want to do anything yet. I would either wait till we hit this low if we do, and then take a long. I think a long would be your most high probability play here if we got it for just $20 because you need what 10 points with 1 micro. I was gonna say long that. I was gonna say long that to equal highs, but never mind. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really see much of anything. Maybe this. So if we close here for a, you'd get 10 points if we hit like at least here. I guess you could move south to break even. I don't know. I'll let you know if I see something. Not yet though. Yeah, so higher time frame. Yeah, I saw that. Well, we haven't inversed the 4-hour yet. Dude, the 4-hour looks trash. I didn't even know that. This looks garbage. Simon, I'll tell you when to take something. Not yet. Guys, we're here with All right. So what you're gonna do is you should if we close above this, do 1 micro, Simon, and then hopefully we close somewhere around here and just go for this high. I think this looks really good with this displacement. And only do 1 micro. Just 1 micro is good. We're getting him this $20. Do not do 1 mini. Hell no. Honestly, like let's say you short 1 mini here. Would it work? Will it work? Hey, it would have worked. Just needs 1 point, yeah. Don't do that though, I'm kidding. I'll take the 1 micro with you, see if I can get it myself. Give me 1 second. Yeah, I know it's the worst being close. Okay. We're gonna pretend like we're in his position. Try to get ourselves $20. Joe, yeah, probably. I mean, I would consider this like a B plus setup because I don't know, we kind of just came close to the sell side but didn't hit it. Wait a minute. Okay, we did hold this. We held the 1 minute BPR. I think this actually makes this an A setup now, to be honest. I didn't see that. We held the 1 minute BPR down there, so that's pretty bullish. Look how strong ES is. Okay. Damn, ES going crazy here. Okay. Got a 3 minute inverse of the upside. Yeah, I mean, I think you could get 10 points here. We'll see. We'll pretend like you're in your position right now. Okay, there it is. Let's see if we can get 10 points. We just need 55. ES should, I mean, as long as ES closes above this, I think we're chilling, but if ES doesn't close above this, that would not be good. $19 seconds. Also, we have triple equal highs here in ES as well. Come on, give us 10 points for Simon, man. Please mark it. I mean, ES still looks pretty good to go to these equal highs, so that should bring NQ up. Now I just need to inverse this 30-second. I feel like I'm more emotional for Simon, not me. I mean, I'm just doing this to see if I could do this. Like if I genuinely needed 10 points right now, I'm seeing if I could do it. Need to close above this 30-second. So if you're in the trade for real, I'd move stop the break even there, honestly. If you're Simon, I would not move south break even here. Come on, give us 10 points, man. 10 points is all we need. And boom, you got it right there. Boom, baby! Let's go, Simon. Hey! Let's fucking go, baby. Hey, that's how we do it out here. That's how we do it. That would have been a real winning play too, because that never would have came back to break even, which is nice. Now if you're generally trading this like for real, this would be the first scale spot, 50% here, and then I'd hold 25% here, and then 25% hive day. So this would be the 50%. This is the 25%. Or sorry. No. That was 1R, so 50%. And yeah. If you're trading it for real. But I don't know. That's just me. That's just me. Because that was 1R. You can see when you close above, stop loss here. That's actually more than 1R. That's 1.4 or 2R about. And then this would probably be like a 2R play, even though it says 3R. And then this would make it into like probably a 3 or 4R. Hey, let's go, Leopard. Let's go, Simon. Who's still holding this? Who's in this like a real position? All right. So yeah, I'd be scaled half already, and then I'd hold. Why 25% here? Yeah, it's an intermediate term high. So where do people place their stop losses on the sell side of the curve? Exactly. If you place them in the highs that are formed by fair value gaps. So like here, when we're on this sell side of the curve, where do people place their stop loss? Above this high, because they're like, oh, I just shorted a fair value gap. I'm going to place my stop loss at the top of this wick. Because I'm a smart guy. So that's what they do. By the way, what did I say about this setup initially? I said it was a B, and then what I say after? And then I realized it's the BPR. I'm like, never mind. This is an A setup. I mean, I guess you could consider that A+, but I don't know. I felt like that was an A setup because I think it was an A setup because we don't retrace. We don't come this deep and then retrace. How many times do you see that? Not very much. So when I looked over and I saw we were bouncing off this BPR, I'm like, never mind. This is an A setup. A PPR is just a see how this bullish and bearish are unfilled gaps and they line up. See that? So it's just when this bearish and bullish line up perfectly. All right, this should hit. If this doesn't hit, I'll quit trading. There's just no way this doesn't hit. Hive day, I'm not sure if it will hit. We'll see. That would be nice if it did. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. There is an SMT of the yes. Wait a minute. Okay, I actually take back what I said about this. If this doesn't hit, I will not quit trading. I just really wanted those equal highs in ES. Those were good. Did anyone take the ES long instead? Did anyone long ES? I don't do that. Nice. So that was a good ES setup. And I said this should bring up NQ, right? Because we had an inverse here. You can kind of see this 1 minute end up holding. The body's held here. We had the 4 equal highs above. 2 or 3 equal highs don't really put much weight. Like 4 and above on ES are pretty good. So okay, so it looks like this will hit, but if it doesn't, I will not quit trading. Okay, boom, there's that. So boom, boom, boom. What a good trading day, man. So now I just have a runner till here, to be honest. Damn, what a play. Let's see here. Yeah, I hope we take out the high too. Yeah, that was super nice, Russian. Super duper nice. Boom, boom, boom. I missed again. Yo, Empire's T, ban all the fake people of me. Oh, I gotta do my Clash of Clans attack. What's the win rate of the strategy? I don't know. I had like a 60% win rate last month. But some months I've had a 100% win rate. It just depends on the month and depends on how you are as a trader. I mean, if you really want to be patient, you can have a 100% win rate. I've done that. I sometimes in a trade, I took probably one setup a day. It always had LRLR equal highs involved. If it didn't have LRLR and equal highs involved, I would not take it. So I had a 100% win rate doing that. But if I'm just going for like random lows or random highs, I would say like 80%. Bad month, 60, 70. But sometimes like the 60 or 70 like when I had a 60% win rate, honestly, I was taking stupid ass plays. I'm not gonna lie. Like some of them weren't even valid, but I'd take them anyways. I would not trail your stop here. I don't know why people trail their stop. Especially if you're in a runner, why would you trail your stop here? I mean, my win rate on stream in the past 3 weeks, I don't think I've taken an actual loss. I've only taken like a couple eval losses. I've been on a hot streak the last like 3 weeks. I made an announcement, and I still haven't taken any like bad loss. So it's been a really good month so far. There's not a dodgy clan, no. Damn, we're gonna wreck this clan. Holy shit, we're gonna get all 90 stars. If you're my dude, someone attacked my mirror, man. Come on. You're maxed. If you're not like Town Hall 15 and above, you probably can't. GD, do you think he can join if he's maxed? Yeah, he could probably join. I'll probably be maxed in maybe 6 months. All right, what town hall are you, flanker? Max 13? Oh, I don't know. Yeah, it has 16, bro. Leopard, start a clan for all these guys, Town Hall 14 below. They need a home. All these noobs. They're too low. You have one already? Well, tell them your clan, bro. Who's taking this 1 minute here? I feel like that would be over trading if you took this 1 minute. I don't know though. It did. I'm not saying anything about this 1 minute. I'll just tape read it. All right, GD, watch my attack. I'm about to wreck this guy. What should I do? What should I do? I'm gonna. All right, this 1 minute looks really good. I'm not gonna lie, but not financial advice. Do not overtrade, please. This looks like an A+ setup. I'm also not paying attention to the charts. I'm attacking Clash of Clans, so. Don't want my root riders to die. This guy's getting destroyed. Get wrecked, dude. GD, are you watching this? Let's go. All right. Damn. Looks like this was over trading. Looks like that failed. Rip. My tag is, let's see, GLGGJGUU. Here, I'll just type it in. GLGGJGUU. I know, bro. I'm maxing my pets, bro. Trust. I can't just max them automatically in 2 seconds. I'm not bullish at all. That was just for a runner. Looks like the runner's not gonna hit though. So getting a little death candle here. Again, I'm not taking anything else. I'm just tape reading. Why in the world would you trade anything else if you're green for the day? Like, I don't get what people goes through. Like, I'm 3 for 3. Why in the world would I trade that? And it just fails. I mean, I don't know why it fails. I guess the bias isn't bullish, but I would never trade that. I mean, there's no point. Wait, Troy, which one are you? Are you Thomas? Oh, that's not your main account though. Bro, Zevo, it's 10:15. You don't need to trade this, bro. Let's do a survey feedback form. I already know people are gonna be like, "Why is he talking about Clash of Clans? Why do I talk about this off-topic stuff?" What do you think talking about off-topic stuff does? Or like, what's the symbolism of talking about that? It's just to avoid the charts. Because is there any point, any reason for me at all to take another trade today? No, there's not at all. This is just where we kind of chill and just tape read the rest of the day. Now, unfortunately speaking, I will have to come back on for PM stream, even though I don't want to, and I will try to take a trade. But that is on a topstep account, which is $19, so it's whatever. I probably won't be on for bond auction. I'm going golfing at 11:30. Just gonna do a quick 9. This also looks A+ to me. This 30-second, so I'll tape read this obviously. As long as we don't hit this gap first. Who's taking this long right here? So, Jiffany, are you not green for the day, or? Oh, and your eval. Okay, cool. Big. Why did you hit 3,000? Did you hit 3,000, big? Oh, what are you at right now? If you hit 3,000, you basically have to do the same thing again. And 1,700, dude. Okay. That's pretty good. It's pretty good, especially for you going to my school. Damn. And that's your first eval count too, right? Damn. Yeah, so you'll basically have to pay an activation fee, which is $150, and basically you're trying to do the same thing. You need to get to 52,600. You need 10 trading days. You can't do like a buy and sell micro. Just you can't do that. You can't buy and sell a micro in about 2 seconds. that doesn't count. Just actual take real trades, 1 to 2 trades a day, whatever, and you need 10 trading days, and then you can withdraw $2,000 to your bank account. Like real money. And you can't make more than $700 in a single day. Here's what I tell people. If you can get, like, honestly, for you, I would honestly risk like 100 per trade for you because it's your first one. You do not want to blow that. And I don't know how much money you have, but you do not want to blow that. Because if you can get a payout, $2,000, that could pay for like 10 more accounts. If you blow it up, you just lost $150. But if you can get one pay, it's paying for about 10 accounts, which is nice. So, does that make sense? So, you cannot be emotional on a funded. Do not revenge trade. Do not oversize. I failed my first 2 fundeds. Want to know why I failed my first 2 fundeds? If someone had to guess, how did I fail my first 2 fundeds? I took a loss and then I revenge traded and took like 10 minis. Yeah. So that's how I fail accounts. That's the only way I ever failed accounts. I've never failed account to losing actual trades. I've never done that. It's only like psychology and mental reasons you might fail. All right. We're going to do the stream survey form. Everyone go fill this out. Bro, this is looking really good. I'm not going to lie. I still think this is an A+ setup if we get it. So the max you can lose from a funded is 150. Well, no. You're paying $150 for the activation fee. So if you lose the count, you're basically just losing $150. I feel like this is A+ because I don't know. I just think it is. I'm not gonna. I'm just kind of playing the range at the moment, and to me, this range, we're at the bottom of the range, and I don't think this is bearish or bullish. I think this is just range, and if we draw this whole range out, discount the premium, what are we in right now? This whole dealing range. Where are we? Are we in discount or premium? Yeah, we're in discount. So I think this is a good setup just to go back up to maybe premium again. I mean, we've been in this dealing range. We have not broken out of it. I mean, I wouldn't call this bearish. I wouldn't call it bullish either. I just call it range, to be honest. So a lot of people think we're bearish right now. I don't think this is that bearish, to be honest. I think this is bullish. The account I'm on right now, I'm up about 350 right now. I would love to risk $100 here, but I'm not going to do it. So here's the entry right here. Really good momentum. How many people are like, do you guys think it's cool to see me see an A+ setup but not take it? I think that represents something. I think that represents discipline. Because, like, you can see what real profitable trading looks like. I mean, I can call a setup all I want. Does it mean I have to take it? No. I still think this is an A+ setup, but I don't need to take it. I mean, what's the point? So there's the first target. I'd move stop the break even here. Honestly, if I was in this trade, I'm not gonna lie, I probably wouldn't move my stop to break even. I think I'd take this L. I think I'd rather take the loss here than move stop to break even. I think it looks too good. That's just me. I think I'd move stop to break even if we hit like here. But technically, like if you're trading super mechanical, this would be a break even now. But again, I mean, pretty good momentum going through that. Again, does it matter what I say here? Like, does any of this matter? No, because I'm not in the setup. I'm just watching. So none of it really matters. Just kind of watching. Make sure everyone go fill out that survey feedback form. Yeah, no problem, stuff. I think people forget the bigger picture. I mean, we're clearly in a dealing range right now. I mean, I would not have a bias inside this shit. This is you should just play the range. So that's why I'm saying I think this is an A+ setup, because we're in discount again, and if we're in a range, then this should go back up the premium. Okay, not the greatest reaction there. So now, let's see. Well, I want to see how this plays out. To be honest, now I think if we re-hit this high third time, I think I'd go to break even there and now. Yeah, so I'd go to break even here. So what I would have done is I would have gone to break even here, but I think I'd change it now. I'd go to break even now. I mean, you do not want to see this reject a third time. I think I'd feel safe with a stop at break even now. So let's say I'm in this trade, I would actually, like, I would for real move my stop to break even now, and that would be it. Let's see if, okay, so I would have gone stop that break even in that trade. I mean, I would not have moved my stop to break even here. I would not have moved my stop to break even when he got here. I think I would have done it on this third wick, because just not something you want to see. Let's see if I'm right. Let's see if I'm right. I think I will be right, but we'll see. See, look at this. See, you don't, that's why I would, on that third drive up, I would definitely move south break even. I mean, you just don't want to see that. Because I know if we're bullish, there's no way we're rejecting this. Okay, let's see. That is a pretty bullish reaction. Again, it's just, it's hard because we're just in between this for like, I'm this for a gap. What I do is again, I'm not in this trade. I'm just speaking hypothetically. If I was, I'd probably re-enter if we broke this now, because I would be out for break even. I still think it looks good enough to where if we broke this with good momentum, I'd probably just re-enter. You're $4 from getting a payout? All right. What should we do? $4 from getting a payout. Here's what I would do. If this 1 minute breaks, take 1 micro long. I don't know if I would trust a short. I think I'd trust a long for $4 more. That's just me. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. $4, you could probably close your eyes and just click buy or sell. But if you want to calculate it, I think I'd wait for the long. I don't know if I trust a short to give me 2 points. I'm not gonna lie. You're $2,000 away from a payout. Give you a trade. All right, man. Okay, I actually would take a short here. Not here. If we get a death candle and we're 2 points or we're like 4 points from these equal O's, then take a micro short. So if we get something like this, like a big death candle, try a short. Do not try a short here. I do not trust this close to give me 2 points. I'm not gonna lie. I think if we got a death candle here, fine, but I do not short this. We literally bounce. Look at that. We close and bounce immediately. I just would not trust this. I don't know. In the back of my head, I'm still kind of. I still want a little higher. But like I said, if we get a death candle here, then fine. I think the best long would be. I think we're gonna go up here. That's what I think. I know a lot of people are bearish, but I don't really agree with that. I'm not gonna lie, but yeah, I think if we break this, try long. I think that would be the most trustworthy. Guys, I know there's a 3-minute there that did not close. So, again, I don't trust a short unless we get a big death candle. We're right next to these. I trust long better. All right, Brodachowski. Okay, so I would long this. If we get it, go. I think this could deliver 2 points easily. I would take a long here. I'm not gonna lie. This 30-second long here. I mean, you need literally 2 points. I think did you get it there? That had to have gone 2 points, right? You got it? Okay, good. Again, 2 points wasn't that hard. This should still keep going up though, I think. And you got your 2 points anyways. Let's go. Congrats on the payout, man. So there's your 2 points anyways. This would be my target really. This 1 minute, the 1 minute did close above, so yeah, I think I'm gonna get off stream here. I'm not gonna lie. Wait, it's only 10:32. Damn. How's it only 10:32? All right, I'll stay on for like 10 more minutes. Give me this. We're going up here. Let's do another trade. Hell no. No other trades in here. Sorry, I'm just scrolling on Twitter. I literally do not want to watch the chart anymore. Well, no, I'll pay it to 2K for the first 3 months. No, it'll probably activate it right away, Chef Jonathan. It should. Bro, no one cares. Topstep fire drill is like how the boy who cried wolf. Come on, we don't need topstep fire drills. Come on. Come on, guys. You're better than that. You're living in my Discord. Why do we need resets? Are you really failing that much? Like, come on, man. I'm disappointed. You know what? I'm gonna say it. I'm disappointed in you guys. You know, I think I'm just gonna end this Discord. I failed. I failed teaching. We really got people in chat sending free resets, bro. I failed. Pump it. First target's here. Late work. This is getting too easy. Hopefully I just didn't jinx myself. Yeah, Casey, that's literally what people do. I am the best trader in the world. Who thinks I'm the best trader in the world? Boom! There's the high. I'm just too good. I'm too good. They can't stop me. So where's all my bearish people at? Who was saying we were bearish? Speak up now. But Dodgy, I thought the price is bearish. KG Trades. I know that was you. Speak up, boy. Speak up, boy. Hey, I know Plyo probably shorted. Plyo was like, fuck Dodgy, I'm shorting. The equal lows don't matter to me because I don't know. I was bullish. They just didn't matter. Screen time, I guess. The thesis behind long was, I mean, we held this inverse the whole time, and to me, this looked like an A+ setup. And honestly, I don't know. It sucks that I would have went to break even on that trade. I guess it was just unlucky. I mean, I said when this trade happened, I said I probably would not go to break even here. I would just take the L. And you can see it would have worked out in the end. But when you see that third wick go up there and stop and then go down, that's just not something you want to see. So it's annoying. Because they copy trade, Troy. Where's all my bearish people at? Should I count that as an alert? I don't even know. Probably not. Well, I I mean, I did say this should work. I did have the drawing. I don't think I rated it though. Oh, headphones on? Oh, all right. This should hit. Yo, what's up, Steve? Hello? Hey, what's up, man? Uh, no, he's not. Boom, baby! Boom! I don't know. I was on fire yesterday afternoon, too. Yeah, bro. Thanks, man. Yo, everyone like this tweet. Let's see if we can get 100 likes right now on this tweet. Bro, want to know what I'm thinking right now versus you guys? You guys are thinking, damn, this price action's good. I'm going to make it. But I'm thinking, today just happens to be a good day. Is it going to be like this every day? No. I'm going to take losses other days. This just happens to be a good day. It's not going to be sustainable, but it's a really good day. So I'm thinking like, I'm not thinking like, oh, this is great. I'm going to be a millionaire in 2 seconds. Because this isn't going to be like this every day, just so you guys know. Can I go for my dinner now? Hell no. No dinner for you until you're funded. Mm. Bro, I kind of have FOMO. I like not taking these in my top sub accounts, but it's an afternoon only because then the statistics will remain true. Maximizing on days with. Nah, bro, I'm happy, man. I'm good. I don't need the trade. It's a broker, yeah. Well, kind of. It's a platform. No, you can only get 3 Akaji. All right, let's go over the stream feedback form. Okay, damn it, we have 2 twos. Okay, cool. A lot of kids in this chat lately seems different. There's not a lot of kids here. I think people talk like kids on good days. I think that's what happens. I know the average age of my Discord is about 30 or 35. Just so you guys know, there's not that many people in their 20s here. I don't think. I think what happens is people kind of get excited on days like today, which is fine, but and I think maybe they sound like kids. I don't know, but I would say the average age is probably 30 to 35. There's probably 5 people in here above the age of 60 too as well. Yeah, I've talked to a couple 6-year-olds in here. Yeah, they're trading. I don't know how I would do an age poll. Oh wait, I'll do this. 1 second. All right, we're gonna do an age poll. Okay, everyone, vote. Yeah, I'll probably come back for PM session. Again, is there any point in me? This looks really good. Again, not taking it. Why would you take this? Why in the world would you take this, bro? I don't care how good this looks. We just hit buy side. You should be green. Why in the world would you take this? I can say this looks good all I want, but you wouldn't take it. All right, listen. Everyone vote. You think I didn't trade on my personal account today, only Payne? It's a red folder news day. Why wouldn't I? Um, so that long failed. Let's see. I feel like a short is too. I guess you could short this maybe. Back to this intermediate term low. Oh no, I don't care. Only Payne. Yeah, I don't care. Yeah. All right. Melon biscuit. So we do have a kid in here. I knew it. We have a baby in my Discord. What the? We have a baby watching me, guys. Okay, let's see the results. All right, so you can see 12%, 13 to 20, 32. So that's about 40% of people in here are 13 to 30. 31 to 51 plus, about 60%. So again, just the average age is definitely, it's got to be like 35, the average age, if I had to guess. Yeah, respect your elders. I agree. You need $11 to pass an eval? I'm sorry, man. I can't help you out with that one. Yeah, that's probably the case not, Chris. Dude, I almost want to tell you to try this long. All right. You need what? 11 points? Or $11? One micro, 6 points. I guess you could try this. Wait. Only if the 1 minute closes above. Should. Yeah, I'll try this long. I'm not going to lie. This looks good. You just need this wick. So get in here, 202. You just need 6 points. I'm sorry if this fails, but this is my 3rd attempt at trying to help to someone. I'm going to fail at some point. But it definitely doesn't look bad. And it's equal highs. It's 1 minute equal highs as well. Honestly, this is a play I'll lose on for sure. I would not mind losing on this. I think this works. There's equal highs, 30-second inverse, good momentum. I would say this is a good setup. Yeah, the R is not the greatest, but it's all right. Okay. Come on, 6 points, man. Just need to hit these equal highs. Got more equal highs here now. And they're 1 minute equal highs, which is a good sign. There's 3 equal highs on the 15-second. I'm choosing to ignore these. I don't think they'll matter if I'm right here. Okay, more equal highs formed here. So, I mean, this is generally a good sign. Did you get it? It should get it here. Boom, there it is! 6 points, baby! Let's go! 3 for 3. Bam! Did you get it? I still think we go probably to this buy side. I mean, that's just a great setup. We had equal highs. It was good momentum. We were delivering from this. Really, really good setup. And there's equal highs there, so I mean, can't complain with that. Yo. Yeah, it was pretty free. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. 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 Or watch psychology videos, because I don't think anyone could be right on the day. Goodbye. And let's see. Who's in this holding to the high? There we go. There's a final TP. Nice. Nice. All right, I'm gonna get off now. I think I will see you guys all later. Probably 1:30 or 2. Wait a minute. We have to do the survey feedback form. Okay, great educational. Grade PA. Yeah, it's good PA. It's not gonna be like this every day. Just DM me. DM me. I'll answer all of them. If it's sometimes they will get lost in chat. All good. Yep. Can I go over London? Yeah, I guess. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Good. Yeah, sure. Sure. It prevented me from over trading. Um, well, what time did this occur? Yeah, I occurred that in that macro 850 to 910. That's the only reason why I tried to stab at it. And I was like, okay, well, it is a macro, so. Yeah, I'll probably stream PM. Oh, thanks, man. This is good advice, actually. I get it. 18 people here are dumb. Okay, cool. All right. London session. London session. This was definitely the trade of London. Um, Never mind. I would not have taken that. There's equal highs here. So maybe not. Never mind. I mean, for London, we took out, we had an Asia high, we had an Asia low. We took out Asia low. I would have longed this if we got it, but we never got it. You're close to the tick there. I don't think this is a bad long because the momentum here. And it was a macro. This is a macro time, so I don't think that was a bad long. And there was equal highs here as well. You could have scaled that. So I probably would have taken that. I don't think I would have taken the short. Equal highs above against my rules. But this to me, this is just a really bullish wick here. So definitely would have taken that. This one, there's too many fair value gaps. This one, if this was an SMT, I think this would have been a good play. I'm not sure if this was an SMT or not. If it was, good play here. Would not have taken the short, or as we already took out Asia low and we're really low. And then if you stayed on after 5, I would definitely would have tried longing this. This is just a really good V-shaped recovery long, to be honest. So yeah, this I would have. This is definitely a play worth longing in my opinion. 2,000 kg. Don't worry about the survey anymore. Thank you though. It was up a little bit. Here, I'll send it to you. Here, look at this. Here, I'll DM you the link. All right, check your DMs. Yeah, it is Lambo. All right, filling out the survey. 218. Nice, Joey. This is not a signal service, though. Yo, Howie. Howie, you've been in here this whole time, right? Yo, Howie. You here, brother? This woman along? Nah. All right, I'll see you guys later. Wait. Yes, sir. Another green day, baby. Listening to Pompeii, and you got all. This is the easiest day in the world, bro. And the walls kept tumbling down in the city of Eli. Another banger day. Listening to Pompeii, baby. Let's go. Easy inversion setups today. I think this is like the most textbook day ever. And yeah, man. Another banger day. Listening to Pompeii, baby. Let's go. Easy inversion setups today. I think this is like the most textbook day ever. And walls kept tumbling down in the city is alive. Clouds are the darkness from above. Close your eyes. Almost feel like nothing's changed at all.